Hey everyone, it's Chaz with Web20 Ranker. Today I'm doing an updated video on our white label SEO packages. We've made some significant changes in the past few months, enough changes that I now have to come out with another video. These are awesome changes. I definitely want to let you know about them. Our white label SEO is completely managed SEO and traffic campaign designed specifically for agencies to resell. We have agencies out there that are earning 200 to 300% or more each month reselling our white label SEO package. It's designed, all the fulfillment is going to be done for you. You should not have to do any other fulfillment type of work. What you will have to do is your client management, obviously, but let the fulfillment to us. All right, we have options for high competition, for local SEO, for e-commerce. You get a dedicated account manager that you can speak with. If you want to call in each month and have a phone chat with our team, you get to do that as well. You get concierge phone support. We don't just build some links. We don't just randomly do some stuff. We have a very comprehensive strategy that we use. It's time tested. We're always improving it. We're always tweaking it. We're staying abreast of the latest Google algorithm updates. You get real-time access to everything that we do. And at the end of the month, everything is white labeled for you. If you decide to provide reports to your clients, you can pass them right along and say, look at all this work. If you just do rank tracking or you do something like agency analytics, however you deal with your client management and reporting, that's on you. But at the end of the day, we handle all the fulfillment, and it's some of the best fulfillment you can get. So let's take a little dive into exactly what we're doing. So this is our setup SEO setup that we're doing. So this is the SOP that my team uses. Ignore this basic stuff here. That's just your order management. We obviously get your rank tracker going, but check out some of this stuff we're doing that no other people are doing here. All right, so we do complete audit at the beginning of every single SEO campaign we do, and it's just a cost that we incur. We don't charge you any more for this stuff. So we do a complete health audit of your site, noting any fixable issues. We do a backlink audit. We run a competitor audit and a backlink audit of your competitors. We do page content, site security, link to anchor text ratio audits, site address authentication. This is really cool. Something that we just started doing after the Medic update recently, Google Site Quality Guidelines audit. There's people out there charging hundreds of dollars just for this audit that we're doing at the beginning of each and every campaign, just because we see that it's necessary. It's a necessary step, and you can't skimp on these things to have the best results. We do Ahrefs organic audit, site structure review, deep link review. Heck, deep links. Most of the white label agencies out there don't even know what deep links are or how to really silo a site. We do this as part of the setup. We review it. We document what we need to do. We do your content review. We also check for over optimization to make sure you're not running into any Panda issues. And we created a link strategy guide that we use to guide us through our link building throughout the campaign. We obviously add those anchors to the SERPs, to our SERP tracker, because we like to track the results of our link building as well, and that's an easy way to do so. We create the ratio-based strategy, and it's a strategy that's designed to go on for 3 to 6 months. And then at the end of that, we redevelop the strategy again based on the current ratios. And then we take that and we send that all over to our on-page team as they develop the silo for your site and how we're going to effectively funnel our link equity to our target pages. And then again, this is just the setup phase. We then go ahead and we contact you about all the things that we've done with links to your workbooks and to all of our findings, all of our audits. It's all in there. Then we go ahead and create any missing social accounts. This is your foundation of your digital brand. We go ahead and get that set up for you. We go ahead and launch a press release to our newswire for you to let them know, like, hey, take a look at us. This also works great for pillow linking. Don't tell nobody that, but it does. Social signals start. We create the articles for the contextual links that we're going to end up getting, and then any other add-on items that we have to do at that time. That's just the setup. That happens within 72 hours, 72 business hours of you ordering a campaign from us. This is what happens, all this stuff. This is your actual project folder. Look at all this. Anchor text and semantic audit, competitor analysis, month 1 deliverables, site health check, link setup template. We'll take a look at some of that stuff in a little bit. Authority niche placements. Every campaign comes with some of these. If you get local add-on, here's your local workbook that gets set up. This is our Gantt chart. This kind of shows you the outline of the things we're going to do and the time they're going to be done in. Here's our actual reporting and deliverable workbook. A site level SOP. We'll take a look at that. Look at this. This is the site level SOP that we're going to do for your website. Look how comprehensive this is. And we're still scrolling. Look how comprehensive that site level SOP is. I mean, that's not a joke right there. And it includes, I mean, it's a very thorough, comprehensive site level SOP. Every one of our SEO campaigns gets that done for them. And then here's our actual workbook. So each month we keep track of what we do here with links to all of your deliverables right here, that you get access. Anything that we build, any link we build, anything we do on your client's behalf is going to go here, and it's all white labeled. Our name is nowhere on any of this stuff, right? So think about adding this to what you're already doing with agency analytics. Think of how comprehensive of a campaign this looks like to your clients. And at these rock bottom wholesale prices, like, it's a no-brainer, people. And the stuff we're doing is very safe. It's white hat method. We're not doing anything spammy, anything automated, anything that's going to get, I mean, we fight Panda, we fight Penguin. We understand that. We keep your site safe from those things. Take a look at our link setup guide. So we set this up for your campaign. For each one of your pages that we're going to be ranking, we set up your exact match, your partials, your long tail, your variations, your discovered keywords, and we go ahead and we get percentages and ratios down to as close to a science as you can get. We do that. And we create supplemental anchors, including brand and brand plus, page title, URL. Obviously, we have to have generics. And here's our actual link strategy right here. You'll see what the strategy is that we're using and what we target, the anchor text strategy we're going to use, notes, all that's in here. And then as we do, you can complete your site level. Here it is again. Just take a look at this. Take a look at this. We do all this. All this. That is not a joke there. Very comprehensive, very thorough. I like to call it the most technically sound white label SEO service available. Our service surpasses what you're going to pay hundreds and even thousands of dollars more from some other providers. Just go ahead. I dare you. Hit this green button, scroll down, check our prices out. I'm Chaz. If you have any questions about our done-for-you white label service, hit up whitelabel@web20ranker.com. Thanks for watching.